Hello, everybody. Papa Bitbrother here, and you are on the BitBrothers crypto channel, the best crypto channel in the world. So we're starting here today. Casca is joining us in a bit. Actually, now, Casca, you're joining now. So, guys, yeah, welcome to the channel. If it's your first time, there it is. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel. Leave us your thumbs up. Press the notification bell so you always update every single time we come into the market. Okay. So crazy, crazy, crazy times happening. But is there a solution? Casca, you want to read the title for us?
Well, guys, here we go. Massive crash. Is crypto still a good investment? Are you guys still bullish? Well, and well, my
Wow.
friends. Um, guys, I'm gonna be very honestly. We might see still Bitcoin going down to testing 25K. We are in the week of Friday the 13th.
Yes.
So guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. We are in a bear market, I believe, and I still think we're gonna see some downtrend more. So I still think that if Bitcoins don't go up from now, go down, and that's very obvious. Né? If it doesn't go up from now, it goes down, of course. So at the moment we are at 32K, 32,192. If we don't pass the 35K upwards, that's better saying. If we don't pass the 35 upwards, we maybe we will see another crash up to 2025, depending in how everything will go, right? But I think this is a very strong sign for everybody that bear market, I mean, the real deal bear market, it's close by. And we might see a proper bear market where maybe Bitcoin's even going below 20K, and everything else we're still gonna drop another 15-20%. And I'm saying altcoins, everything, guys, everything we might see. So I don't have much advice. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy on YouTube. We're just a BitBrothers here on the YouTube. Right? We are not financial advice. But what I would do, if I have some money left in stable coins or even fiat, I would wait, because you might see this as, oh my God, and we will see more fear. And when that happens, guys, we will see a lot of panic sale, a lot. And that's when things will go even deeper, with even bloody, even red. And then it's when you will, guys, if Bitcoins drop to 20K or below 20K or even below 25, we will see so much buying. Like people like Michael Saylor, celebrities, superstars, footballers, people who really have money, they will find a way. Elon Musk, all those people, they will just buy like crazy, guys, because, and I will repeat, because crypto is here to stay. You watch Formula One, you watch football, you watch everything. It's, crypto.com, Binance, they're sponsoring everything. Guys, crypto are here to stay. So if you believe on that, like those people do, if it drops to 15, like I was saying to Papa today, maybe we will never see Luna crash like this again. Either you get an opportunity now, if you can, or that's it. You will maybe buy Luna again in a lower as $100, 150, 200, the lowest. So I see the time now as an opportunity. So be aware, we are not financial advisors, of course, but be aware of what's happening around. Study the project. Even then, be careful, because remember, it's your money, it's your money on the line. So be aware, but high risk, high rewards, and high risk on the layer ones in protocols that guarantee that will be here within the next 5 years. Guys, you should not be in shitcoin now. You should not be in shitcoin now. You shouldn't. If you are, my friend, you need to start crying or find a better position, because now it's time to be in a good coins. Anyway, let's start the show today. If you're here the first time, if you're new to the channel, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Twitter, Papa BitBrother and Casquinha Crypto. Follow us as well on the Instagram, BitBrother_crypto. Follow us on Twitter. We are sharing a lot of nice things. After I can tell you guys a little bit about PulseX. Hopefully PulseX is this week coming. Richard Hart an hour ago just had Twitter another thing. He just said, please make sure your balance are correct. Pretty please, he said. Pretty please. I'm going to share this with you very fast, Papa, so you carry on, and then Papa can carry on and eventually just finito. Today is a crazy day, guys. We're doing a completely different. So here, 1 hour ago, Richard Hart had done this. Please make sure your balance are correct. Pretty please use the report tool in the app if they are not. So guys, let's do that, and let's make sure that everything is neat and done, because it's. And by the way, Richard Hart had to look. The Krypton Tycoon had predicted Terra USD will crash back in 2021. So is there? He done here another Twitter here about the AMMA ratio. Anyway, so regarding post-chain network, guys, it's coming. We are on the week, and I did have predicted for the Friday the 13th. So if you are middle May up to Friday the 13th, maybe it's the day that mainnet's going to be launched. We don't know if that's the plan, if now is actually a good time to launch the network. But of course, Richard will know the best time, as he's an expert, and he's of course have the best interest in the project to succeed. So he will know when is the best time in order to the mainnet to be out, either this week or the end of the month. It doesn't matter. It's soon. By the way, he tweeted there. I guess it's still happening this week. So be aware, and let's go. Let's moon. Okay. Post-chain network may just surprise you and save the crypto space at the moment, as everything's collapsing, and a new. I don't think it's a bad idea if a new blockchain comes out, with all the airdrop copies from ERC20s going there. Guys, today or yesterday, we went to swap a token in the ERC20. Me and Papa was like $80, 80 to do a swap on the Uniswap. It's ridiculous, man. It's ridiculous. So post-chain is coming to fix this thing, and not fix, to give you a better option on that. Anyway, let's start. And I am Casquinha Crypto.
This is it, guys. Post Extronaut. Welcome, my man. What's up? So, guys, let's see the market again. I know you're probably bored of seeing this, and everybody's like, every time it's down, everybody gets like, I don't want to watch.
I think everybody's last night was sleeping with the chart under the arm, thinking, oh my God, what's going on? Oh my God, what's going on? Oh my God, what's going on?
No, I hope you guys are not one of those. I actually, one of my friends asked me, did you sleep last night? I'm like a baby. Why? He's like, oh, because the market's just crashing. But what can I do? I cannot do anything. I'm not paper hand. I said to him, man, I'm diamond hand. When these things happening, I just switch off my computer and I go to bed, because nothing I can do. And I trust the market. I believe I'm here for the long term, guys. Be one of us. Yeah, be part of the Bit family. Be here for the long run. You're not going to regret. Okay, that's what I have to say. So let me share here. So let's quick check the market, guys. Look at this. I'm finding quite interesting this, yeah, because The Bitcoin dominance, guys, is the same. It's the same. It's not changing at all. But the market cap is going crazy. 1,484,000,000,000. Remember that last 2 weeks ago we were at $2 trillion. So that means $500 billion is out of the market. Okay, that's insane, and that's why, of course, we've seen all of this. At the moment, 32,000, 2,437. Guys, you can see all the stable coins are also really suffering to keep peg. Okay, so you can see this, one of the strongest USDT, it's under pegged at the moment. It's very little, but it is. USD $1, USDC at $1. So guys, it's at this time that you need to see which one is the strongest. Yeah, unfortunately, the Luna Foundation is struggled so much to keep Terra UST pegged, so it's at 93 cents. It's crazy. But if we check the market cap from last week to this week, guys, it's $3 billion came out. About $3 billion came out of UST, which is a lot of money, but I wouldn't think that would make that much of a damage, but it did, guys. It's crazy. So then you see how much volatile and kind of weak in one way the market is. That's why we need to be careful, because if you think that you take, I don't know, maybe what, 10, 15% of the market would bring the peg so low. Yesterday, Terra Luna went about 68 cents. That's insane. So, of course, I have some news here of what Do Kwon is doing. But look at this, guys. Terra Luna, like Casca said, we don't know if it's an amazing opportunity, you're going to miss it, or you can get even lower. But in my opinion, really, guys, if you have some extra money, really, this is the best opportunity you can get. It doesn't matter. Maybe you buy at 33. Maybe if it goes at 20, you buy at 20 again. So, of course, you're not going to deploy all your cash now. But I think now it's time to, it's high risk, right? We say high risk, high reward. But it's a high risk in a very strong coin, very strong community, very strong fundamentally speaking coin. Okay, so yeah, of course it's going through crazy shit at the moment. Sorry for my language, but look at this, 60% on a week. When do you get that again? We don't know. Okay, so might be one of the best opportunities you might ever have on Terra Luna again. We don't know, but no, again, just please check what's going on and be aware. So look at this, Polygon at 96, Near Protocol at 10. Let's see where Phantom is at the moment. Guys, Chainlink at $9. That's crazy. Cosmos 15. What else? Guys, remember I said to you in a few weeks ago how important it is important for you to do portfolio management. What does that mean? Even though you have a strong coin like Chainlink, but it hasn't done anything. Remember I said to you guys, I exit all my position in Chainlink and I deployed in different projects that I think has better chances. So I deployed many in Rune, and I did some Rune, I did some Gala, Sandbox. Okay, you can see here again, look at this. And then you take this, like, where is it again? Sorry. So then you get Chainlink. Come on, where is it? Chainlink, 18% on the week. Then I get Sandbox. And then you say here 13% on the week and 2%. So that means I did a very good trade. Of course, this is when Chainlink was a bit higher than that. But again, it's very important for you to be a same thing here. I changed for some Tor chain. You can see here today's on the green. That is a strong coins. There's a lot of things happening. Unfortunately, Phantom has been receiving a lot of punch because of all the FUDs happening. But guys, look at this. 61 cents. That's the first time I entered Phantom. It was a 60 cents. Okay, it's crazy. It's like going back 1.5 years. Really, it's insane. So yeah, so much opportunities. Maybe not. Okay, just do your own research and be careful. Of course, do not deploy all your cash. But I think maybe it's time for you guys to DCA in. Yeah. So let's see the winners and the losers of the day. I think it's very nice for us to see that. Okay, so yeah, I have news on Flow. Guys, look at Flow, 13.79% on the day and 5.56. I have a very small position Flow, but I'm very happy to know that. I haven't even looked at my position at Flow because I was down, but I'm happy that I did. So Yeah, so Polygons is 8% on the day. Wow, Maker, Shiba Inu, FTX, yeah, it's the exchange, Elrond Gold, Layer 1, Arweave, super strong, good coins as well. Yes, actually, I did some position. Once I sold my Chainlink, I bought some Arweave as well, which makes me happy now to see this. Okay, let's see the losers of the day quickly. So maybe the loser of the day, guys. Which one is it? One of the best coins so far. It's one of the losers of the day. That's crazy. Okay, and also Terra UST is here as well. That's so sad to see. Okay, so guys, let's see what Do Kwon said. Do Kwon is the founder of Luna. Okay, and basically, it's like the guy is being hammered on the social media every day. He deployed $10 billion in Bitcoin to backed UST, and now he had to sell loads. So the LFG, which is the Luna Foundation Guard, just voted to deploy 1.5 billion capital, yeah, 0.75 billion in Bitcoin and zero. So basically, half of their position, guys, they have to come out of it because to keep the coin stable, but they are coming on a loss. It's crazy. So they had to come out of the Bitcoin position on a loss in order to try to peg UST again. So which is really sad to happen. Okay. So, and 0.75 billion UST to allay market concerns around UST. Some more context on why and how. So basically, then there's an article here on the Luna Foundation Guard explaining all the volatility across the assets, you know, and all that. And it's really nice. So I think I really advise you guys to follow Do Kwon and go and check this out. So I won't read everything to you because it's going to be too long. But anyway, so first, the Luna Foundation Guard is not trying to exit its Bitcoin position. The goal is to have this capital in the hands of professional market makers such that by UST, if price underpegged, by Bitcoin, if price is overpegged, thus significantly strengthening the liquidity around UST peg. To speak DJ lingo, maybe 1.5 billion LP provision is easier to understand. Okay, so yeah, basically there he's trying his best to keep the coin pegged. So please do not help this FUD, guys. I think this is really these haters that FUD all the projects around are really is really bad. I think people should be supportive at this time. Okay, this will be an important opportunity for the Terra and wider crypto community to gather empirical data on how Luna Foundation Guard operates and fits into the Terra ecosystem. Observe over the next few days not only whether LFG choose to deploy reserves, but on how, okay, how they choose. I will be hanging around this thread to answer any questions people may have. This is the one, the founder of Terra Luna, saying here. Guys, I think what's happening is they are on the verge to prove if they are one of the best on the market. Guys, if Terra Luna managed to pull this off, managed to peg UST again and get Terra to go a little bit high in value, I think it's gonna go ballistic. So maybe again, be aware. This could be amazing if you believe in the project, guys. I believe so much in the project. If I had more capital now, I would deploy pretty much most of it in Terra Luna. Why? Because also I will be showing that I support the project, and I know in the long run, if you support a project that are good projects that has, you know, a very strong fundamental ideas behind, that pays off really well. I know, like George, the YouTube channel, he said he deployed $500,000 he bought in Terra Luna. Lucky guy to have $500,000. But yeah, this is it. So again, I like Crypto Rover. He says Bitcoin realized a loss of 3 billion yesterday. This means that 3 billion worth of Bitcoin was sold against a loss. Like I said, guys, 0.75 billion was from Terra Luna alone. So yesterday was crazy. This is a typical flush out of weak hands. We need these events to happen to eventually for new all-time highs. Form new all-time highs. So guys, this is all part of the plan. Like we always saying, we need these big flushes of the weak hands to get to the new all-time highs. Okay, no idea if that was the Bitcoin bottom. This is Plan C saying, but there are some signs it might be. Okay, so there are some signs that it might be the bottom for Bitcoin. Total supply and profit held by short-term hodlers. 7-day exponential moving average. So reaching the bottom here. Every time we reach the bottom here, you can see after that on the blue marks here, right? Let me make a bit bigger this image. Sorry, guys. We just exploded after. Look at that. High, all-time high. Here we went up, and now we're here again. Okay, so yeah, we could be reaching the bottom. Okay, guys, but like Casca said, a lot of people expecting us to go to almost 20,000. I said this before. Michael Saylor, one of the biggest investors in crypto, his average coin is at $30,200. So that means I think they're gonna make really, really hard not to go to 20,000. So like I said, it could be the best opportunity now, okay? Because these guys, they're gonna work really hard not to get their coins undervalued, because next time they're gonna have to do their balance sheet. Yeah, it's gonna be a massive, like, it's not a loss again, it's unrealized loss. And of course, Michael Saylor is so clever, he's not gonna want that. So he's really holding strong at 31,032. So yeah, so now you see, guys, why Flow. The quick news here of the day: Flow blockchain raises 725 million ecosystem fund from DCG, as 16s and others. So that's why that you can see Flow going up in the market, because it just raised 725 million. Bitcoin exchange Kraken exploring stocks as part of Super Wallet, CEO Jess Powell says. Nearly half of global Bitcoin hodlers out of the money today. Guys, nearly half of all Bitcoin holders are underwater today as the price of the world's largest cryptocurrency continues to crash. It briefly plunged below 30K in the early hours of Tuesday. Okay. Binance holds Luna withdrawals as Terra token plummets 50%, which is sad news. So crypto industry facing same low as early internet. Mark Cuban, billionaire and owner of the Dallas Maverick, Mark Cuban, compared the current state of crypto industry with the dot-com bubble, the early 2000s. Okay, so yeah, guys, again, if we look in the future, this is amazing. Okay, we are in the best times ever to create massive wealth in our life. Okay, just last one here, we can see the fear and greed index. We are on the level 10 of fear. Like Warren Buffett says, you know, be fearful in times of greed and be greedy in times of fear. So I think this explained very well my feeling for today. Okay, be greed in times of fear. Okay, so guys, that's it. Casca will have some more news for you there, and thank you very much, and let us know what you think.
No, I don't have. Everything is good. I'm done. I did all my news before. Everything is good. All is good. There's not much to say, guys. Market is crash. No, market not only have crashed, market have crushed everybody as well. So now with 23 minutes here, guys, be careful out there. Be safe. Don't go, like we said before, don't go crazy putting your money without understanding projects. Make sure you do your homework in order for you to invest now. I think now you can earn money because millionaires are built on the crash, on the bear market, but you can also lose a lot of money and you can be down. So be careful with that a lot. Post Astronaut, hello, brother. Nice to have you here. Thanks for coming. Fábio, bom dia. Quando vocês irão fazer vídeo sobre post em português? Fábio, guys, I'm going to speak in Portuguese for 2 seconds to answer to Fábio. To answer a question. Fábio, infelizmente a gente não está fazendo mais conteúdo em inglês, não, em português. O algoritmo do YouTube arregaçou com o nosso canal, cara. Tipo, destruiu o nosso canal em relação de
entrega de conteúdo.
Entrega de conteúdo, arregaçou com o nosso canal. Então a gente teve que fazer uma escolha só para o inglês, porque o inglês era o conteúdo que estava mais entregando. E no final do dia a gente está querendo colocar mais gente em contato com cripto. E infelizmente a gente ficou 6 meses fazendo conteúdo em português. E tipo, a gente fazia um vídeo em português e o vídeo dava tipo 10 visualizações. A gente fazia o mesmo vídeo em inglês e dava 600, 1000 visualizações. Aí, Então o YouTube ele quebrou nossos conteúdos em português. E a gente teve que decidir por fazer vídeo só em inglês. E por isso a gente não está fazendo mais vídeo em português. Mas se mandar mensagem para a gente lá no Instagram, a gente responde em português na boa. Beleza? E sobre PostSex aí, talvez saia essa semana. Tem que ficar ligado aí, pode sair essa semana.
Post-chain, né?
Pode sair. Post-chain, isso, exatamente. Pode sair essa semana, beleza? What else? What else, guys? What else? Thank you, guys. Love the content. Keep up. Thank you very much, brother. Yeah, things are going well. Things are going nice. Guys, there is regarding post-chain, post-sex, there's a lot of new projects coming up on the post. I'm going to even share with you all. I mean, if you stayed here until now, why not? I'm going to share with you. Not? There's a lot of new projects coming up here. So if you go to the hexpost.info/sacrifice, you will be able to see here there is some, all these here running sacrifice are projects that you can still be part of it. So again, make sure to go to have a look, to read, to see, to study the project before you invest in anything. There is the sacrifice pool still open for the post-chain network. And of course, there is here a lot of projects that it's already gone. So keep your eyes open because there's a lot of new things happening. And remember, for post-chain network, you are early, my friends. And maybe, like I said, post-chain is just coming in the right timing for the average Joe. To average Joe make it big. Okay? Thank you very much, guys. And we see you guys. Hey, Papa, anything else?
That's it, guys. Thank you very much. Again, guys, for the Portuguese crowd, if you want to send anything on our Twitter, feel free. Okay. And of course, for everybody, for the whole community, guys, we're here. Just be together, be wise, invest wise, research. Okay. And that's it. Send us anything that you think that you're looking at as well. We haven't received any projects from anybody yet. Okay. So it'd be nice to the community to interact with us on that as well. I think it's really important. Okay. Thank you, guys.
All right. So we see you guys next time. Ciao.
Valeu.